Hey guys, this is Chris with vidsociety.com, and in this video I want to do a ProfitDrive review for you. You can see I actually have my own account here. Here's my email address and everything. And I want to talk to you a little bit about this product before I go in and show it to you, which really is not a whole lot to show, but I don't want you to be misled about it, because when I first looked at this I was like, oh, well, that's not true. So what I'm going to do is take you to the sales page, go over a couple things with you, and then go more into detail as inside the ProfitDrive account itself. So below this video, if you do decide to pick it up, guys, it's only, I think it's like less than $17, and it's a one-time fee. So if you're paying monthly fees for Dropbox, for your Google Drive account, or any of those others, it can be anywhere from like $10 a month to even $100 to $200 a month. You can pick this up for $17 one time. So what I want to do is go ahead and come over here to the sales page. And you can see here it says get unlimited cloud storage and backup for all your files at a low one-time price. And once again, host unlimited files for a one-time fee. And so when you look at this, you automatically assume that you have unlimited storage, and that is not the case, okay? Now let me explain this before you decide not to buy this, because it's still a very, very good deal. So what this means is that you can have as many files as you want in your Dropbox account. But for the $17, you get a max of 250 gigabytes. But within those 250 gigabytes, you can put as many files in there as you want. So that's what they mean by unlimited. So there is an upsell, so where you can get unlimited. I think it's around $37, and then that does give you unlimited storage too. So you can basically put anything you want in here and store as much as you want, and then you can share these files. You can do whatever you want with them, which is what I'm going to start using mine for, is for giving out bonuses and stuff. But you can see here, let me go over a couple of these things. Store unlimited files on the cloud for a one-time fee. You can share them. End-to-end encryption protects your files. You can back up any kind of file, whether it's videos, photos, documents, it doesn't matter. Anything you want. It's 100% newbie friendly. That is true. It's very easy to use, and that's what I want to show you. And you can see right now it is less than $17, and you can get that 250 gigabytes for that. Now I know for a lot of people, if you don't do video marketing or anything like that, if you're just storing mostly documents, that's all you're going to need. 17 bucks will get you this drive, and you can use it and probably have enough storage for whatever you want. If you do things like video marketing, have large files you want to store, upgrade, get the pro versions where you have unlimited storage also, because you will need that eventually. Okay, so here we are inside of the drive, and it probably looks familiar to you if you use Google Drive. It looks like it's kind of based off of that template. But here's some files that I've uploaded today, and it works pretty much the same way as most of the others drives do. Is you can just drop and drag files in here and it will upload them, or you can click the upload button here. You can create new folders, and within the folders you can drop files. You can come over here and change the way this is viewed if you want to. These little dots here brings up so where you can add a new folder, upload files, upload folders. And anytime you click on one of these, it's going to show you the details over here of it, and you can add a description to it as well. Up here in the search box, if you click in it, it drops down and shows you these options of different types of files. I don't recommend you just click on one of these if you have a lot of files in your drive, because if I click on images, it's going to take a while to process, because it's going to go through every file you have on your drive to find those images, then it's going to show them. So if you're searching for a particular file or folder, and if you know the name of it, be sure to type it in up here, and then you can find it much quicker that way. Okay, as for these files themselves, if you just click on one of them and right click, you can see here where you can manage the people who has access to them. So if we click on that, you can enter an email address, and then it will be shared with that person. If we go to get shareable link, what it's going to do is create a link for us. We can copy that link and then share it with that person. Here you have the option to delete it, or you can click this gear icon and it gives you more options. So you can share it on social media, you can set an expiration date, you can password protect it, you can allow editing, and you can allow people to download it. So we can click that, and when you're done, just update it and you're done. And you can also star it. So if you star it, what it does is it puts it over here in this category on the left hand side. So when you click it, only your starred items is going to show up. So maybe these are frequently accessed folders or files that you use. If we go back to my drive and we'll come up here again and right click, you can create new folders, you can move your folders, you can rename them, you can make copies of them, or even re-download them and delete them. So really, this is all this is a massive storage, online storage area where you can put all your files and folders for a one-time fee and not have to keep paying the reoccurring fees that all these other companies are charging for. So far, it's working well for me. I've been using it to add these bonuses. I've been using it to share some bonuses, and everything's working great. For me, 250 gigabytes is going to last a while. You can see I've already used up 183 megs, and it's going to take a while to get 250 gigs. But like I mentioned earlier, if you do plan on adding a lot of larger size files, especially videos and photos, then that's going to add up pretty quick, and eventually you are going to need that extra storage. So if you decide to pick up the Pro version, you won't have to worry about it. You're just going to get it. So below this video in the description box, not only will I put a link to where you can get more details about ProfitDrive, but I'll put some details down there too about the upsells and what they're going to cost exactly, so you know if this is something you really want to invest in or not. So this is ProfitDrive. I do recommend it, guys, for storage. So far, great product. It's working very well for me, and it's super easy to use.